Finally, Royal Kludge first ever magnetic keyboard, and ang solid niya guys. Let's unbox the RK61 HE gaming mechanical keyboard. Inside the box, syempre the RK61 HE keyboard, ang gaan pero solid ang build. Detachable USB cable, extra switches para may backup ka agad. Switch puller, ready ka for hot swappable. User manual, pero madali lang i-set up, promise. So first press pa lang, smooth, tahimik, and super responsive. So thanks nga sa magnetic switches nito. May 21 RGB backlighting modes. So perfect for gaming setup. At syempre, the 0.1 millisecond responsive time plus 8,000 Hz polling rate, pang esports level talaga. For Royal Kludge first magnetic keyboard, sobrang sulit at premium ang feel. Kaya naman kung gusto mo nga rin ito, ay ilalagay ko na lang ang link ito sa Share Basket. Ayun lang.